My dad opened the Cotswold Farm Park in 1971, so 51 years ago. And 25 years ago, he went to get planning permission to open a campsite so people could come and stay. And this is a sort of vehicle that was being built back then, and the field would have been full of these. And now, amazing the units that people turn up in to stay on the campsite. And me and Duncan, my business partner, have really pushed on and developed it further. And we've now got these amazing safari tents. Many of you won't know my business partner, Duncan Andrews. He and I have been working together on the farm and within the business for the last 25 years. We had the great privilege of taking on the farm and the farm park from my dad, Joe Henson, and his business partner, John Neve. And we've seen some changes, Duncan, haven't we?
Sure, haven't we just? What a journey. 25 years ago, 97, your dad got planning permission, hard fought to convert part of this field here into a campsite, but stringent conditions, 40 pitches, no infrastructure, so no roads, no electric hookup, no showers and toilets. So yeah, we've come a long way.
I remember collecting the money, and I was always late, so people would turn up in their vans and then they'd disappear again and probably have a free night. And then they had to go round to the farm park toilets to have a shave and clean their teeth.
So they did. Yeah, wow, what a change. Yeah.
I remember when we got the sort of portaloo sort of unit, that was a highlight, wasn't it? But it was still pretty grubby.
Yeah, we thought we were going places then, didn't we?
And you and the maintenance team and the campsite managers have really pushed things on now. I mean, goodness me, it's grown, hasn't it?
Well, yeah, we were fortunate to have renegotiated the lease in the end of 2016. So 2017, we really hit the ground running. So pretty much started everything from scratch. So new tracks, new drains, new water, new power. So and then a new power supply to cope with it. Fantastic new ablutions block with family rooms and fully accessible as well. Air source heat pumps, all the electric here, including the 35 electric hookup points we've got are powered from the solar panels we've got on the adjoining barn. So that all happened in 2017, and then at the same time we put the 3 pods in. You remember we actually built 3 pods to act as Santa's grottos, and then had the great idea that maybe we could also, in the summer, then we could put beds in them. So they've worked fantastically well, and actually that gave us the confidence then that other glamping units could work. So we started with 7 pretty basic canvas tents, also in late 2017. And then in 2019, we made the major investment and built the 6 lodges. They've been a game changer, haven't they?
They really have. I mean, I have to say, you and Kate, our general manager, they are such a beautiful design. They're so lovely. I was really nervous about it.
I remember.
Huge investment. But you're such an incredible handyman, and they are beautiful, and we get amazing feedback.
People seem to be really connecting with this as a sense of place. It's where it sits within both a working farm, but also somewhere that's biodiverse and protecting wildlife, and a place to connect with family. And the different types of accommodation we've got now seem to work really well from a multi-generational aspect. So groups of people coming and booking a number of different types of accommodation so they can spend time together. So yeah, the lodges have been fantastic. We haven't looked back on those, and adding 3 hot tubs to them, I think, has then added another element which seems to really appeal.
Of course, I've lived here all my life, and I've always appreciated the amazing sunsets we get, and I know the people in the lodges just love it, and sitting in the hot tubs watching the sunset with the animals around them, the wildlife walk to go on, is just beautiful, and that's why we've called them the sunset lodges. But you've been inspired to do even more now, haven't you?
Well, I think, a great team effort, then converted a 7-berth canvas safari tent in spring 2021. And again, that's proved fantastically popular, particularly with multi-generation groups. That's got its own wood-fired hot tub as well. So that's been fantastic. And in fact, that then was the inspiration of the tents behind us here, which are our new 6 Songbird tents, which we've just launched last week for Easter 2022. And we're getting rapturous reviews for those. I'm absolutely delighted with the way they've turned out with the design and with the facilities we put next to them. Again, you know, what's all been done internally with our team and with a great group of local craftspeople as well.
It's beautiful that they're named after the songbirds that you can go out and listen to and see in the fields. And just walking through the site now, I think John Neve and my dad Joe would be looking down with a big smile on their face.
Well, it's a fantastic team effort, you know, our partnership and then everybody we've got working for us. You know, the Cotswold Farm Park family goes from strength to strength, and you know, the objective being to continue to wow and delight our customers and to provide something which is consistently of high quality and great value for money, and to continue and be here for many years to come.
Absolutely. So can you give me a bit of a guided tour? I haven't had a proper look around yet.
Yeah, come on, let's go and have a look.
Okay. They look great, don't they?
Yeah, fantastic. So 6 of them, all named after farmland birds. This one's yellowhammer. So farmland birds being a particular focus for our conservation projects that we've got going on around the farm, so I think it's particularly fitting they're named after the birds.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a great choice. Really good.
Yeah, nice having this covered terrace area and some comfortable seating, lighting out here, and obviously a great gas barbecue.
Wow,
Yeah.
beautiful. Look at this.
So cooker also in here. In fact, that's a cooker, microwave and grill combined thing, and a hob. You know, decent kitchen with hot water, and then sleeping double bed with storage underneath, a bunk and a single, and a dining area in here as well. And yeah, doesn't it feel warm in here?
They're lovely, aren't they?
Surprising.
And so spacious. Actually, when you put them up, I was thinking, God, how are you ever going to get all those things in there? But there's masses of room, isn't there? And lots of storage too.
Yeah, really pleased with the way they've come together. So local materials, local craftsmen for the vast majority of what we've got here. We managed to put them up using no concrete, so all of just pegs into the ground from sustainable hardwood, and then so no embedded carbon in the ground for them as well. So powered by the PV panels off the barn. The water comes from our own borehole and spring-fed supplies, which is great. And yeah, really delighted with them. A lovely outlook. So these ones, rather than being sunset, sunrise. So these ones get a beautiful sunrise, but then catch the sun all the way around until mid-afternoon. And then with the outdoor dawn areas, there's an opportunity to catch the sun in the evening as well.
Beautiful. Congratulations to you and the team. Really lovely.
Thanks.
And of course, the visitors get to go into the farm park, don't they? And in the evenings, if they don't want to cook and drink their own wine, they can go into the bar and into the restaurant.
Absolutely, yeah. So like all our visitors who stay in our accommodation, yeah, unlimited access into the farm park during opening hours, so which is a great selling point and, you know, real added value with that. And of course, it's not just this tent. Actually, we also have a shower and toilet block outside, you know, a pod outside, which are exclusive use of each of the tents.
Do you design these then?
Yeah, so we didn't really think the ones that were available off the shelf were up to much. So yeah, we and the team, you know, built these. So I'm really pleased with them. Have a look inside and see what they've got.
Oh my word!
Yeah, so each tent has its own pod, in which is a basin, WC, and a shower. They're all fully heated towel rails. And again, everything powered from electric in here, which is also coming off the solar panels. So really great, really high levels of insulation as well. So they're lovely and warm in the winter and cool in the summer.
Well, thanks for the tour, Dunk.
Oh, you're very welcome.
What a journey we've been on.
Well, yeah, we've come a long way, haven't we? It's surprising how much has happened over the last 20 or 25 years. Yeah, great to see such a variety of things here. It sort of feels like it's coming to, you know, form of maturity. All looking good, really excited about it. Obviously now we've got such a range of accommodation. We're now calling ourselves Cotswold Farm Park Holidays, and hopefully people will really connect with that. And let's hope we'll see lots of customers over the course of this summer and over the coming years who can come and enjoy themselves at the Cotswold Farm Park.
It's certainly a lot more than just a campsite. I think Cotswold Farm Park Holidays is a great name. And have you got any ideas where we go next?
Well, I think what we should do is ask our customers what they'd like to see more of. We've now got such a range of accommodation, from year-round lodges to our Songbird tents through to our pods and to a range of touring pitches as well, not forgetting of course the sunflower tent, which sleeps up to 7 people, that I think we should get a feel for what's really popular this summer, and then also get some feedback from the customers and see what they think. There's certainly further opportunity for some further expansion, although I think, you know, we need to stay faithful to our brand values and make sure it still feels like a holiday in the countryside and it's not too crowded, and we maintain the really high quality that we've always aspired to.
Yeah, brilliant. How lovely. And you know, we can guarantee 365 days sunshine, can't we? Just like this. It's always like this.
I know. It must be. I mean, I'd quite like to go somewhere where we get seasonal weather. Just this is getting boring.